Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, where you get important tech information that will help your life and business. Don't forget to hit that subscription button and remember to turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified each time I upload content like this.
In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to check your internet speed before going into any online video meeting. Internet speed is very important. This is because oftentimes people jump into online video meetings and before long they start to experience hitches, hang-ups, and oftentimes disconnected from online meetings. Before going into any online meeting, do well to run an internet speed check to ascertain the speed of your network provider. Where the speed is very poor, you are to switch to a better internet service provider and be well prepared before going into a scheduled meeting. When you run an internet speed, you need to understand the interpretation of the text to be able to know whether you are good to go or not. The website we are going to use is called fast.com. After running your internet speed, you should have this information display on your screen. For example, this is 1.3 Mbps. Mbps means megabyte per second. Internet speed is measured in megabyte per second. So what we have here is 1.3 megabyte per second. Now down here we have the latency. What do we mean by latency? Latency means the time it takes for information to leave its original source to its destination. If you are uploading a video, when you speak, the time it takes for your voice to be transmitted from your current location to the destination is going to, that is called the latency. So the speed is also very, very important. In this case, my latency is 165 milliseconds. Latency is measured in milliseconds. When you are on the internet, you are either doing upload or download. Upload is when you are producing, when you are sending out information. If you are streaming and you are feeding your viewers with your information, you are doing an upload. But when you are searching for information from one site to another, what you are doing is download. My internet speed at this point, at the point I'm making this video, is 1.3 megabytes per second. Mind you, the speed of your internet can change from time to time based on the service available in your location and at the moment. So do well to run your internet speed from time to time to know the current status of your internet speed before going into any meeting. And should you experience any hitches while online, also do well to run your internet speed again to be sure that the problem you are facing is internet speed related or from the server. Oftentimes your host might be experiencing internet hitches and you feel it is from your end. So how do you reconcile this? You run an internet speed to actually know that from your end you are okay with your service provider, and then that will give you a clue that the challenge at the moment is not from your end. Let's look at the minimum required speeds for some of the applications for video conferencing. For a Zoom meeting, you need an average of 1.5 kilobytes per second to 3.0 kilobytes per second to have uninterrupted Zoom meeting with HD video features. If you are using Google Meet app for your video conferencing, you need an average of 3.2 megabytes per second to have a seamless connection. For WhatsApp video call, you need a minimum of 0.64 megabytes per second. That's actually very easy to achieve. Okay, so for Skype, we need an average of 1.2 megabyte per second, and for Microsoft Teams, we need an average of 1.2 megabyte per second as well. So when you want to go into any of these meetings, do well to run your internet speed to ascertain whether the speed available in your location meets these requirements, and where they are not, where they do not meet it, you try other network service providers to see the one that will give you the required speed so as to have a seamless connection. All right, I'm going to do a live speed test now to guide you. To do that, you need to go to your browser. Either you are using Chrome or you are using Firefox. Any browser you are using can do that. So this is my browser open, and then you type fast.com. okay, www.fast.com, and then you press enter. That's all. You just have to relax and wait for the speed to to complete, and then it will display the result on the screen. As you can see, it's running the speed of my internet. Before you do this, you must be connected to the internet, and then you go to your browser and type fast.com, and that's all. You don't need to do any other thing. It's so simple and easy. It will take some time out and then to look at the speed of your internet, and what you have here, your internet speed is 1.8 megabyte per second. You can see before this video I did this test and I got I think 1.3 megabyte per second, but now the internet speed has improved in my location. Now I now have 1.8 megabytes per second. If you want to view more information, you click on show more information, and it will give you the latency, which is 45 milliseconds. It has improved now from what it was before. Before it was 160 something milliseconds, but now 45. That's to tell you the internet is becoming stronger. And then if the upload speed is 3.4 megabyte per second, while the upload speed is 1.1 megabyte per second. That's if I'm streaming. This is still not enough for me if I want to do video streaming, because it's 1.1. I need an average of 10 to 11 megabytes per second for me to do a seamless streaming. But for download speed for internet online video conferencing meeting, I can join such meetings seamlessly. Okay, so that's the usefulness of this website. Thank you for watching this video. If this video has been of great help to you, please log on to my channel at the Kennedy's Media, click the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you get these kind of videos as I upload them. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.